Schools District Supervisor, Dr. Beatriz Ifondo Abdal, to our esteemed resource speakers for this 5-day in-service training for teachers. My dear participants, colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
This year's in-service training for teachers is not the same as in previous years, where all school heads are obliged to serve as resource speakers. Our Division Human Resource Officer, Dr. Kian Monte, applied for accreditation with the PRC so that our teachers, we, the teachers, can earn credited CPD units when renewing our licenses. The process of applying for PRC accreditation is not easy, but through the collaborative effort of the Human Resource Unit in DepEd Misamis Oriental, the application